Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So here we have the ProThrust Poster Corrector. And you may have seen me do some reviews of some other posture correctors. So this is another one. Again, it's the ProThrust brand. It says Thrust for Innovation. All right, it's a posture corrector. And actually there's gifts included too. Love gifts. Comfortable pads. Okay. A carrying bag. Yes, I love carrying bags. And a step-by-step e-guide. I don't know if I'd consider most of those gifts because those usually are just things that would come with the product. But hey, if they're gifts, I'll take it. So there's some instructions on the box. It says week 1, wear the posture corrector for 25 to 30 minutes a day. Week 2, add another 15 to 20 minutes a day. And then week 3, wear the back brace for more than an hour a day. So kind of just getting up to it. And what I've done with some of these other posture correctors, I have not worn them for that long. But if I'm at the desk for a long, period of time and I feel myself kind of slouched, I'll just put this on and it kind of just keeps me upright. Keep it on for 15 minutes or so, and just I feel like it does a good job of just keeping me correct as far as sitting goes. I'm not obviously a doctor or a chiropractor. I can't really recommend that this is going to cure anything or really help with posture. But I know from using other ones in the past that it does just at least keep you in a much better position, and my back does not feel slouched over. And then on the back here just talks about how to put it on, everything like that. So let's go ahead and take a look and see actually what's in the box. So it says, thank you for your purchase, talks about, appreciate your business, and if you want to do a review, things like that. We've got our little bag, which has the logo on it. Pretty nice little bag there. Love the carrying case. And there's also some review information down there in the bottom. It says you can wear it sitting at your desk, commuting, reading or using, jogging or dog walking. So they're pretty, straightforward things. It says, do not wear when driving, weightlifting, or handling heavy machinery. So keep that in mind. You don't want to hurt yourself or, cause an accident. So again, nice little drawstring bag there. And then I almost said the posture corrector is right here. So we got the little foam things. And that was something that I did notice on one of the other ones I did review. And I'll see if this helps. Under the armpit area, it did get a little, little tight and uncomfortable after a while. But maybe this will cure it. And just initially feeling this, it does feel very, very soft. So looking forward to really trying it out. You got your different straps here to tighten it. And I'm going to check it out. So that's what's in the box. We have the posture corrector itself. Really, again, nice material there. And then of course we have our gifts, the e-guide, which we can download, the little carrying case, and these, which are Velcro, I assume, and they open up and go around the straps. So there it is right there. We're going to check it out, wear it, and then we'll come back and give a review. If you tried one of these, let us know what you think, if you used it, if it really helps, maybe some tips that you have come across. And of course, make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click the bell icon to stay up to date with everything we do. And we'll see you soon. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.